The thing to understand is there's an A and a B to the deal breaker. The A is what's going on, and the B, which is really critical, is and the person doesn't want to do anything about it. You can fix just about anything if the party is like on board and okay, let's deal with it, and is willing to deal with it appropriately. You're not okay if a number of issues come up and the person just either isn't going to deal with it at all, or is going to construct their own treatment program, and you know as a therapist that it's going to fall on its face. So obvious deal breakers would be things like violence. If there's physical violence and the person isn't going to move into recovery about it, then you're done. If there is verbal abuse at a particular level, if there's real meanness and demeaningness and kind of psychological sadism, and the person doesn't want to do anything about it, I would not counsel somebody to stay with that for the rest of their lives. If there's a serious addiction, if there's a serious psychiatric issue, major depression or anxiety or OCD, and the person isn't going to do anything about it, then I would not do my best to insist that the other person put up with it. I had a couple where it was the woman who was verbally abusive, which is less common, I think, than men, but still not uncommon. The woman was absolutely mean and verbally abusive and, name-calling, screaming, humiliating the guy in public. I told her that she had to stop. And she said she had absolutely no interest in stopping whatsoever, that the guy deserved it. That this is true, when they got married, the guy said that they were going to be rich. He was an intellectual property lawyer, and the son of a gun was only making $600,000 a year. And as long as he kept her in this level of penury, he deserved everything he got. And I looked at the two of them and I said, I cannot do couples therapy with you under those circumstances. I don't allow abuse in this room, and I'll meet with you, the guy, individually for a little bit, but certainly couples therapy is contraindicated. And if you continue to mistreat this man at the level that you're doing, I think you, sir, should have some serious questions about why you're still there. I met with him individually for about 2 or 3 times. He did have serious questions about why he was still there. He begged his wife to reconsider. She was adamant, and he left.